2019 Ford Mustang EcoBoost. Bright red. Really nice car. Got a factory converter there. Then it's got factory pipe into a custom white pipe that he ordered that we put on for him. It bolts on here. And then we had to add two sleeves on it right there to be able to fit his new FLOWMASTer Outlaw kit. There and there. There's the FLOWMASTer Outlaw. I'll get you guys part numbers in a second and link. There's the part numbers 817713. And then the custom white pipe is by CV Fabrication. Part number EMRD-1. There you go. And there you go. Anyways, this is what it looks like after. Came out really beautiful, really clean, as you guys can see right there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Before we cut off one of them, this is what it looks like after.